This segment is sponsored by Hilltop Wealth Solutions.
We are beginning a new weekly segment today with financial expert Erik Brenner, the owner of Hilltop Wealth Solutions in Mishawaka.
He has 27 years of experience as a financial advisor, and he'll join us every week to discuss issues that can help all of us navigate our financial futures. Here's a little more from Erik. Tell us a little bit about you personally.
Yeah, thanks, Craig. I've been a financial advisor for 27 years and work with individual clients on really helping them make good financial decisions. And our firm, Hilltop Wealth Solutions, is based in Mishawaka, Indiana.
So do a lot of people lose retirement money to the IRS because they have planned poorly?
You know, they really do. And, you know, we are in a 40-year tax low. I think a lot of people don't realize that they're giving up money to the IRS by not making good decisions with their retirement assets. And so that's really what we try to do, is help guide people along the way to make those good financial decisions.
So break it down for us. What are some basic things people can do to protect their money from the IRS when they're ready to retire?
Yeah, so one of the things right now is if they're not looking at or participating in Roth IRAs, they should be looking at either participating in a Roth IRA and maybe doing a conversion to a Roth IRA. You know, that money is tax-free in retirement. And because we are in these 40-year low tax brackets right now, and chances are taxes are going up in the future, that is one of the really big things that we are stressing people need to take a look at today.
So what do people need to know about Social Security and the way it's taxed?
Yeah, so Social Security can be taxed. Most of it can be taxed. And a lot of people don't look at Social Security really as an important decision as we think they should. They really need to think about it as another pension. And when people choose to take Social Security, affects the amount that they get. And so they can really take a reduced amount that may affect them long term. And really, Craig, life expectancy comes into play. People are living longer. So it is a big decision when people get to that choice of Social Security.
So do most financial advisors have the training to help with this type of planning?
You know, a lot of financial advisors get trained, certainly licensed and trained in selling products. You know, our firm is a fiduciary, which means we're independent and we must always act in the best interest of the clients. And the training that we do structures around IRA planning, Social Security planning, and other training. And so as a firm, we spend a lot of money every year on educating ourselves to make sure that we're given the right advice to clients along their financial journey.
Well, as you said, it seems inevitable that taxes will eventually be going up. The country has significant debt. What should people do to take advantage of the current low rates that you were talking about?
Well, you know, we previously talked briefly about the Roth conversions and taking a look at Roth IRAs in general. That's one of the things that they need to look at in their current saving strategy. And unfortunately, people don't do tax planning. A lot of people just do tax preparation, and that's really getting your taxes done, you know, and they don't have any planning in place. And so we're just encouraging people really to consider understanding your tax situation today and those low tax rates, making sure you take advantage of them today.
You know, Erik, that's a lot of good information, and often it's very confusing, so it's really great to have someone like you kind of in our backyard, in our hometown, that can help us. I hear that you have a special offer for our viewers today. Tell me about that.
Yeah, that's exactly right. So we're offering up to our viewers, actually the first 10 to call in from hearing this, a retirement tax analysis. And you know, Craig, that could cost anywhere between $1,000 and $2,000 depending on the firm. And we're willing to underwrite that for the first 10 callers. And what we will do is a tax analysis and give them some direction as to what they're doing today and what they can do better for themselves.
That's great information. Thank you so much, Erik. For more information, go to hilltopwealthsolutions.com or give them a call at 574-212-0446.
And we want to remind you as well that you can watch the weekly TV show, Your Wealth Health, every Saturday morning at 9:30 on Fox Michiana. We'll